Hello and welcome, guys. This time we'll be learning about the barcodes. So as you guys know that Abby does a pre-processing at the back end, and just by clicking on W we can identify the words here separately. If you see, on clicking on L we can recognize the lines completely. Similarly, if I click on barcodes, it will try to identify the barcodes automatically. Okay, so let's just try it out. How can we get those in our search elements? So for that, simply go to search elements, add element. Down below you'll see a barcode. Okay, you can rename it or leave it as it is. And then there are so many types of it. If there any specific one that's not here, or like you don't want to select, then you can deselect it, and then you can choose the orientation of it. So in this case we have it like left to right, but as we know that it can, if you have something like it can appear vertically as well, so let's just keep it as all checked. Then we can make some relations, but let's keep it simple. And let's just try it out and say test element. So the barcode has been identified on this invoice, and let's just test the same on next invoice, and it has identified this as well. So this is pretty much easy though. So one more thing that I wanted to show you is that Abby also provides you to zoom in and zoom out of the forms. So instead of scrolling it down, we can just make it to like 50%, and you can simply click on it, do a match, and you can see that this invoice barcode is here, do a match here, and this invoice is here. So that's all. Thanks everyone.